As you guys can see here, this is a external system that we installed here in the basement. You can see the manometer showing that that fan is still drawing really well. We put a bigger fan on this one to be able to get through the whole house. We did have to go through a block wall here in order to get through a crawl space to get to the outside of the house. But you can see here, installed through the sub slab of the home. Again, we just drill a 4-inch hole into the floor, stick a pipe down there as we clear out some space to create a nice little air pocket, and then have that fan pull that radon all the way up through that pipe and out the side of the house. Okay, guys, we are now outside of the house here in Canton, just showing you the external portion of our mitigation system. You can see the fan hooked up to the pipe that came out the side of the foundation of the house there, with its own little junction box to make sure that it runs constantly. Those do run 24/7, so we're constantly drawing radon out from underneath the house and making sure the occupants in there are nice and safe. Then we run it up the side of the house here and exit right there above the roof line. Ohio code requires us to go 12 inches above the roof line, so that's why you see that little extra bit of pipe above there. On top of that is the critter guard to keep anything from coming into the pipe. Squirrels like to hang out in there. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for more content, and I'll see how this test turns out. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day.